Hello Strawberry Pandas and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sky and in today's video we are going to be doing an Ipsy skincare August routine haul review. So this is the package and let's open it. Packaging is so freaking cute. It says beauty is more fun here. And oh my gosh, this is so cute. Like, look at that. Look at the little charm in the corner. Guys, I have so many videos planned for this week. Next week I'm gonna redo 2 videos. It's gonna be 2. Okay. This is the First Aid Beauty Brighten and Facial Glow Radiant Pads. These gentle pads are all about treating sensitive skin while giving you brighter, smoother vibes. Plus, they're perfect for prepping your canvas before makeup magic happens. This is the Kenzie Fragrance Vanilla Blossom Out de Perfume. This comforting scent opens with bright citrus and a touch of pink pepper, effortlessly transitioning into a romantic floral bloom, sweetened with fresh coconut water, settling into a luxurious base of creamy vanilla and cashmere musk. It leaves a soft, irresistible trail wherever you go. This is the Lava Beauty Lip Drip Oil in the flavor Bubblegum. High Shine Gloss meets serious hydration in this silky lip oil that delivers a glossy, comfortable glow. It provides a soft pink tint that nourishes your pout without any of the annoying stickiness of a gloss. Your lips will feel lush, juicy, and trend forward with every single swipe. This right here is the Tatcha the Matcha Foam Cleanse. Shine? Who? This cleanser lathers from a gel into a ultra-fine foam to help congest pores and balance oil for a clear canvas, no tight, dry feeling in sight. This right here is the Aether Beauty Cream Eyeshadow in Serafina. This silky cream eyeshadow melts onto lids for effortless color with a smooth, light, reflective finish. The buildable formula delivers soft baby pink pigment that can be worn sheer for a wash of color or layered for a more dimensional look. Ipsy August 2026, the Soft Reset, Restore, Relax, and Repeat. This month is all about nourishing formulas, soft textures, and small moments that turn your routine into a ritual. Goodbye, Strawberry Panda. Subscribe for more. I love you guys.